What's up, guys? I'm Jasmine Rico, and you're watching Auto Insider. Today, we're taking a look at the Kia Telluride, thanks to Bert Ogden. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below, and make sure to tap that notification bell too. It just means you're gonna see all of our latest videos as soon as they drop. And it'll help us keep bringing you content on cars you have to see. Under the hood of every Telluride is a naturally aspirated V6 engine that makes 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission that equally distributes power to all 4 wheels on this all-wheel drive model. The Telluride's design is meant to both be luxurious and rugged, and I love how Telluride is blacked out here on the hood. It looks so sleek. And check out very closely, if you can tell, this tiger nose grille. It's one of Kia's exclusive designs, and you have your squared off amber lights. They give a soft, warm glow during the day or night. They stand out. And down below, Telluride boasts up to 8 inches of ground clearance for off-roading adventures. On the side, you have 20-inch blacked out alloy wheels, and your side mirrors have their turn signal already built in. They also have a blind spot monitoring system. And up above, aluminum roof rails brings it all together. Here in the back, you have a nice rear spoiler, and the design continues from the front with these squared off angles and these backwards L-shaped tail lights that are cascading. You have Telluride written across the back of the trunk and a rear view camera hidden up under here. And further, you have squared off exhaust down below, and you can option a hitch that tows up to 5,000 pounds. The interior of the Telluride is undeniably upscale and comfortable. The build quality is excellent and the materials are attractive. Check out these gorgeous leather seats with the rugged design and the contrast stitching. And they are ventilated and heated. And I love this wood-like finish in a natural tone. Makes it look really, really nice. And check out this design detail. This chrome bar extends all the way from the driver's side all the way to the passenger door. That's really nice. And you have a 10.3-inch infotainment center. It's super responsive. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can even talk to, instead of yell, to the third row using passenger talk. I saw that. And let's say your kids are napping. It's time for a little piece for you using your sounds of nature. You can choose calm sea waves, rainy day, and it goes on. And you can choose to only listen to your sounds of nature in quiet mode using just the front speakers. Here in the second row of the very spacious Telluride, you can option a second row bench that seats 3, or you can choose these 2 captain's chairs that make things even more spacious. And this beautiful leather design continues from the front row. Passengers have a large backseat pocket. They even have a small mesh pocket. They have a hook that can accommodate purses, grocery bags, yoga bags. You can even charge your phone right here with your own USB port. And you have a 12-volt and an AC outlet down below. Up above, passengers have their own climate controls, their own AC vents, and a beautiful panoramic sunroof. One button gets you very quickly into the very spacious third row. You could fit back here even if you're 6 feet tall, and let me tell you, passengers ride in comfort with their own AC vents, their own lighting system. They have their own USB ports, 2 cup holders each, and a personal cubby for personal items. The Kia Telluride is one of the most awarded and the most recommended vehicles on the market today. But what do you think about the Kia Telluride? Leave me a comment in the comments below. We really want to hear from you. And of course, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you see all of our latest videos as soon as they drop. And of course, recommend this to your friends and family. I'll see you next time. For Auto Insider, I'm Jasmine Rico.